Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and latest government updates in English. So from Central Power Research Institute, that is CIPRI, there is recruitment for the position of engineer officer, which is a grade 1 post. Total vacancies are 20, and if you complete your BE and BTech in electrical, mechanical, electronics communication, electrical and electronics and civil, then you are eligible for this recruitment. Very important note point is this recruitment is through only GATE exam, so they will consider your GATE 2021 and GATE 2022 score, which I already show you in on thumbnail, right? Salary is approximately 9.5 lakh CTC, and now we will see detailed information regarding recruitment. So let's start the video. So as always, we see important point related to your recruitment. So first is 60% aggregate you should have in your BE Tech. If you are from any category, okay, there is no category wise relaxation. So for all categories, it is 60% aggregate. Okay. Then probation. So probation period is there, which is of 1 year. So training plus probation is there, okay, of 1 year. So just take care of this thing. Posting, they will post you at any center or headquarter, okay, located in all across India. So depend on requirement, they will post you anywhere in India. Process will be directly they will see your GATE score and they will recruit you. Now we will see vacancy wise breakdown. So you can see here total 20 vacancies are there, as I already show you, out of which categories breakdown is there, but branch wise breakdown is not given. So it's depend on totally them that from which branch what they want to select, okay, according to their again requirement it is there. But tentatively they showed us the vacancy that for electrical they will recruit 12 vacancies, 12 candidate. From electronics and communication they will only take 2, okay, from mechanical 5, and from civil only they will take 1. Again, this is tentative according to them. If there is requirement, more requirement, then definitely they can recruit, okay. Age limit cutoff date is 21st of November, okay, it is November 2022. And what is age limit? 30 year for general AWS, 33 OBC, 35 SC ST, okay. Important date, so form already started on 1st November 2022, that is yesterday only, and it will end on 21st of November 2022. About DV, so I guess after 2 months, okay, within 2 months you will get the thing, because on 21st they will end the form, okay. So in January you will get the call letter. Next is fees are there. So general OBC and EWS need to pay 1000 rupees, okay, very big amount. Directly they are recruiting, there is no GD interview, still they are charging 1000, okay. So let's see whether we want to apply or not. And for SC ST, women, female candidate, okay, and PWD, there is no fee for you guys, so you can fill the form for free. So all the best for this recruitment. Now in the comment section, I want your GATE rank and GATE score. Okay, let's start the discussion so that all the candidates will get idea whether to apply or invest 1000 rupees, especially for those who are from general EWS and OBC, in CIPRI recruitment or not. And if you are preparing for any of the government job or PSU and central government, then this is the channel for you. So just subscribe to our channel. And if you have any query, any doubt regarding this recruitment, regarding any of the recruitment, then feel free to message me on Instagram or comment down below. All the best.